Hello, my name is Ryan Welsh. I'm the founder and CEO of Kyndia. I'm here with Lauren Kligerman, a senior product manager with us, who's going to run the demo for us. So at Kyndi, we believe that for artificial intelligence to be useful, specifically within financial services, it needs to be explainable. So we're an artificial intelligence company, and we build explainable AI products for financial services. So for those of you that aren't familiar with why AI needs to be explainable, well, there may be use cases, likely mission-critical use cases within your organization, where you cannot use black box machine learning, where you are required to explain the reason for why you're making a decision. So we've combined machine learning with other aspects of artificial intelligence, including natural language processing and knowledge representation and reasoning, think of knowledge graphs and other things, to make a system, an enterprise AI platform that is fully explainable. So a little background on me, I'm a former quant. I actually analyzed credit derivatives during the financial crisis. You're probably laughing, I loved it, I thought it was great. And what I learned in those moments, really two things, is one, you and I are the bottleneck in the modern production process because we can't read and understand information any faster than our parents or grandparents. And two, the global financial system is a massive network of relationships. I mean, if you think about it, everyone in this room is probably 2 degrees of separation from each other through some financial instrument. Yet we still analyze and run our business as if the world is flat. So what if we had a system, what if we can use artificial intelligence to extract all the meaningful information from the internal, unstructured text data that you have locked away in all those contractual obligations, could automatically link all those concepts and knowledge together in a massive network, then analyze that network in real time? Well, with the Kyndi platform, you can. So let's take a look at a loan document. I'm having a little deja vu all over again. So this is representative of about 2.5 trillion PDFs globally. And in here is all the knowledge that you need to successfully run your business. And you probably have people extracting it all from this document, pulling out the loan amount, counterparties, interest rate, maturity date, all this relevant information. It's an extremely manual process. So you can actually take documents like this and you can put them into the Kyndi system. Here we just have a little tile that you can look at. We've uploaded a few documents. You can click in to those documents and get a quick summary of what the document's about. For me, during a financial crisis, I was trying to figure out how these credit derivatives would be governed in bankruptcy. So something like this could quickly surface that information for individual loan documents. But really what I find interesting is actually looking at the network of relationships across loan documents. And this can actually scale to your enterprise. So what Lauren's doing here is we uploaded those files. The files were parsed. All the key meaningful concepts, all that knowledge was extracted, structured in a graph, automatically linked together with all those relationships. And Lauren can now go into named entities. So when I was an analyst, what I would do is I'd go down to, let me see the loan amount, interest rate, and maturity date. And I can really dig in, with the loan amount, who's maybe taking on excessive debt, with the interest rate, is it a variable rate, is it a fixed rate, is the increasing rate environment going to increase the amount that someone has to service on that debt? Then the maturity date, when do they have to pay it back? So just really quickly, we're taking unstructured internal text data and structuring it in a way that you can quickly analyze it. Now what's interesting here is that with the system, you can also teach it to do really complex analyses. So if we think about the current interest rate environment with it increasing, if we think about corporate debt, and some folks would have to pay increasing rates on those debt, well, you can actually teach the system that as interest rates increase, identify the people who are going to be impacted, or identify the loan documents that are going to be impacted by that increase. And that's what you see here in red. And that's representative of really a lot of tasks that you can automate within the system. And digging in a little further to now say, how do I find, if I have millions of documents, how do I find the relevant documents to put into the system? So a great example is when someone from the equities desk for some reason would come over and hang out with us fixed income guys, they would always go search for yield. And we'd laugh at them, be like, that's an equities term, but I think what you're looking for is the interest rate. So with keyword search, You may search for yield, and of course these are loan documents, there's not going to be anything in there. But with a cognitive search, we understand the intent of the question. The intent of the question in a fixed income world is to find interest rate, right? And this is just representative of all types of questions you can ask of the system. The ability to take that internal data, structure it in a way where it represents all the knowledge across your organization, visualize it in a graph form, query it better, discover insights in it, make recommendations, classify documents. Really, it's a different way of looking at your data. And with the Kyndi platform, now is the time to take advantage of the acceleration in artificial intelligence. You probably have tons of data in your organization, internal, unstructured text data, that you can't use to achieve your corporate objectives. And now is the time to take advantage of it so that you can push record-breaking financial results for your organization, because with results like that comes my favorite part of working in finance, and that was year-end bonuses. So thank you very much. I appreciate your time. We'll be in the back. Please come by and discuss use cases with us. I'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.